Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete border from third page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my documents as 4 blank page. Now you can see here are borders on first page. Now I add all these borders to all page. Select these borders, then go to insert menu. Now click headers and footers option, then press headers option. Now select these borders to move headers options. Now you can see I add borders to all page. Now I remove these borders only third page. Go to second page and you have to break this section break. Select this page, then go to insert menu. Now you can see here are break option. Now select section breaks. Section break to next page. Now go to third page, then again go to insert menu. Now click this break option, then click section break to next page. Now go to third page and double click to these headers. Now you can see here are option different first page. Click on this box. Now you can see I delete borders from third page in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.